Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to remove a passkey from your Roblox account, whether you use Face ID, fingerprint, or a saved login key. So let's get started. First, log into your Roblox account, use your regular username and password. Now, once you are logged in, go to the settings option on the top right side of your screen and click on settings. Once you are in, you will see here the account info and you will see here the passkey option. Since I do not add any passkey, so I do not have the option. But if you have added the passkey, click on Manage Passkey. Tap or click on the Register Passkey link to your device and you will see an option like Remove, Delete or Unlink. Tap it to confirm delete the saved passkey and that's it. You have successfully removed a passkey from your Roblox account. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.